everyone. Myself Tanya Dikshit and I am going to discuss about MERN stack through our presentation. Our group members are Dhruvi Kumari Mistry, Dhruvika Rajput and Tanya Dikshit, that's me. Now, this presentation contains brief information about full stack web development, basics of HTML, basics of CSS3, basics of JavaScript, introduction to MongoDB, ECMAScript introduction, introduction to React, introduction to Node, Redux, React Router DOM, React Alert, user authentication, project flow, DOM, and project documentation. Full stack development. Full stack development typically refers to a developer or engineer who is skilled and knowledgeable in working on both the front-end and back-end aspects of web or software development. It is proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies. It handles all aspects of web application development, bridging the gap between the user interface and server-side operations, and it also creates seamless user experiences and ensures the application's functionality. Its roles and responsibilities are: in front-end, it designs the user interfaces, ensuring responsive design, implementing user interaction. In backend, developing server-side logic, it manages databases and data storage. It also implements security measures. In problem solving, identifying and fixing bugs, enhancing user experience, and optimizing performance. Basics of HTML. It is standard markup language for web pages. Its purpose is to define the structure and content. The key concepts of HTML are tags, elements, and attributes. In tags, it contains the elements enclosed in angle brackets. In elements, it contains basic building blocks like headings, paragraphs, images, links, etc. And in attributes, it provides additional information to elements. Where it is used. HTML is used to create web pages. People use web browsers to access the desired websites from computer, tablets, or mobile devices. Browsers render the web pages to screen so that the content should be seen by users. Here, the displayed image shows the basic structure of HTML. Basics of CSS3. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and it handles all the look and feel of web page. Style sheet language for web page presentation means for the CSS. Its purpose controls layout, colors, fonts, etc. Key concepts of CSS3 are selectors, properties, and values. In selectors, it targets specific HTML elements. In properties, it defines visual characteristics, and in values, it assigns the appearance to elements. Here, the displayed image shows the basic structure of CSS3. Ways to apply CSS. There are three ways to apply CSS: inline, internal, and external. Here we have attached the images so that you can get an idea how to use it. Basics of JavaScript. A programming language designed for web pages. It is embedded directly into HTML pages and interpreted client-side event-based language, and it is dynamic, lightweight, and case-sensitive. The key concepts of JavaScript are variables and data types, control flow, functions, and DOM manipulation. Here, The displayed image shows the basic structure of JavaScript. JS internal. Here, in first image, it is the basic syntax for using JavaScript internally into HTML itself. Second image contains or it shows some methods that is window.alert which displays data in alert dialog box. Document.write it displays data in browser display area. Inner HTML displays data in HTML element and console.log displays data in browser console. JS external. It is external JavaScript that is inserted outside the HTML tag using src attribute, and we have attached an image which shows how to use the JS external using src attribute. Introduction to MongoDB. Now, MongoDB is a widely used open source NoSQL database system which is designed for scalability, flexibility, and performance in handling unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB offers developers a flexible, scalable, and high-performance solution for managing modern data needs in diverse application scenarios. Overview of MongoDB contains document-oriented, scalable, it has flexible data model, it is rich query language, replication and high availability, it has high performance. ECMAScript 6. It contains the properties like destructuring, which means a practical method for obtaining numerous values from data contained in objects and arrays, which may be nested. Special operators. The JS spread operator allow us to quickly copy all the part of the existing array or object into another array or object. Arrow functions. Arrow functions allows us to write shorter functions. Promises. JavaScript's interpretive nature leads to sequential code execution, potentially causing delays when certain tasks take time. This issue blocks subsequent code lines. Introduction to React. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, particularly for single-page applications and interactive web experiences. It was developed by Facebook and released as open source in 2013. Since then, it has gained widespread adoption due to its efficiency, simplicity, and flexibility. The key concepts of React are: it is component-based architecture, it has virtual DOM, JSX, it has unidirectional data flow, it also contains state management, lifecycle methods, React hooks, React router, and Redux.
Hello everyone, myself Dhruvika Rajput. Let's talk about Introduction to Node. It's a open source and cross-platform. It has JavaScript runtime environment. It allows executing JavaScript code outside web browsers, web servers. Node.js can create lightweight, fast web servers (APIs), enables building APIs for communication between software components. Why we use Node.js? It has stability and longevity. It has ecosystem and NPM performance and community support. Let's talk about Redux. How the Redux will work. First, we install the Redux, then define actions, then create action creators, then define reducers, then create Redux store, integrate Redux with React, last connect React components to Redux. Redux, a state management library for JavaScript apps. React Router DOM. It has browser router. This component wraps the entire application and enables the use of React Router. It listens for URL changes and renders the appropriate components. Routes is a container for root component. Each route specifies a path and the component that should be rendered when the URL matches the path. Link is used to create navigational links in your application. When a link is clicked, it changes the URL without entering the page. For creating the Redux and connecting to React, we follow as per the flowchart below. So let mother as a component and she told you to put water bottles in the fridge. Here you is the action which creates the event. Now you show your brother and told to do that work. Where brother is reducer which act as the event listener. Then he put water bottles in the fridge. The refrigerator is our store.js. This is how the Redux connect to React component and update the database. User authentication. How user authentication is working? Suppose we are users, we have two options, register and login. When we will visit the website first time, we register ourselves, otherwise we log in via the email and password. Our details will verified with the database. It has perfectly, then our session will create. Project flow. How our project will work. We open our website. In our website, we see first the menu list, then we log in ourselves, then add some items in the cart, then payment payment process. Then the payment process is perfectly done. Then our items will deliver our homes. Food delivery app. The purpose of this project is to develop a food delivery app using the Monster. The app allows users to order food items. The app is designed to be user friendly with a clean and modern interface. Architecture. The food delivery app is built using the MERN stack. The app consists of several components including the home page, my order page, cart page, login and logout page. The home page displays the list of restaurants and includes a search bar and filter options. The menu page displays the list of items in the menu and allows the user to add items to their cart. The cart page displays the list of items in the user cart and allows the user to place an order. The confirm order page displays the details of the user's order with his delivery address. After confirming the order, it will redirect to payment page and then to the order history page where users can see their order history. Features. User authentication. Allow user to sign up, log in and manage their profiles. Example, update user profile and password. Browser restaurants. Browse restaurants. Display a list of restaurants with address and ratings including search and filtering options. View menus. Show restaurants menu with these details, prices and images. Cart management enables users to add or remove items, adjust quantities, and view their cart. Order placements allow users to place orders and provide delivery addresses, payment integration, and responsive design. Let's see our website pages. This is our home page. This is login page, sign up page, menu page, cart page, order confirm page, order history page, order detail page. Let's get started with project demo.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Dhruvi Kumari presenting you a demonstration of food ordering project. As my team members already discussed about front end, back end, development of website using HTML, CSS, JS, React, merge stack in brief, full stack development, etc. already explained before. So without wasting your much time, I'll start with the brief introduction of this project here. It is a project allows user to order food items in the given restaurant here as per project display you here. It is designed user friendly with a clean and modern interface. It contains various components which we'll discuss step by step here. So let's start with the home page, which we can see here. It is the header which contains the logo, search bar, cart, login, given the 8 restaurants, the option in which we can arrange our restaurant here, 8 restaurants representing here in the cart formation, the footer, then in each card formation of restaurant it is contain images, name, address, ratings and reviews. So if you want to arrange them as per rating, reviews, or for vegetarian persons for pure veg. So let's take experience how it is sorted for with rating. It is sorted in the ascending order, smallest to greater. You can see that it is automatically arranged in the ascending order. When you click on sort by review, it is sorted with the reviews also. Or if you're a pure veg person or cannot find easily in this, you can click on pure veg option. You can easily get a pure veg restaurant here. When you click back, you can navigate here also. When you click any of this, let's click for compare restaurant. It gives starters, main course, bread, many different things it is presenting. And if you want to go back on the home page, you can go on the food order logo, order it logo. It is different as per the different websites where restaurants given here. When you click at the Haldiram, it gives you a chart, main course, and any time which you can want to explore. In this, it's give you a photo, name, brief explanation of the dish, rupees, want to add on your cart, and the status it is in stock or not. So without wasting more time, let's order something for us for because it's looking very delicious from this photo. Let's order it. When we click on it, it is navigated to a login page because we are not logged since here. If you are a new user, you can click at the new user here. Here you can register here. Now let's give a name Annabelle. Then Annabelle's email, then password. Password must be of 8 digits only. It cannot be the less than 8 digit. Then you have a phone number. Then click on registration. We are logged successfully. We can already navigate it at the home page. So let's order again. Let's go for the Haldiram and ordered Raj Kachori and dahi vada for us. So it is give you item added to cart. It means it is added to cart successfully. Let's go for another cart now. Here you can see it. It is added at your cart. Here you can increase the items. You can decrease the items. It is when it reaches at 1. It is not decreasing more. it is reached for minimum quantity. And if you wish to delete it, you can delete it from here directly. Let's add some more things also. Go here and let's go for Empire Restaurant. Here we can go with gobi Manchurian, and let's go for the cart. Yeah, you get it here. Okay, so let's order it for us. It is navigated to the Stripe. Enter your name here, then address. It is easy to write address here because it's giving the suggestion here for it is for to writing address. It's near very easy for us or any person. Then enter a phone number. You can enter your card details, card number, then expiry months, then CVC, and pay for it. So it is processing here. So the payment is done and we already navigated to the project pack. In this we can go for or it just gives you your order has been placed successfully. So let's go for go orders. Here you can see it is giving your order. It is items, then order item, number of quantities, amount, status, order date. And if you want to see what action is taken here, you can click here and you can see it in detail of your order. So when you back again to the cart, now it's empty. The cart is hungry. So let's go for the home page again. So let's see what's here in this drop down. It gives you about order, which we can have already seen. Then let's go with the profile. Here you can edit your profile, change your image, name, email. So let's edit our profile. Let's change the name to just Anna and add the one beautiful image for it. Where's the image? Yeah, here. Remember that image should be only of 20 KB. It is not accepting more than 20 KB. So when you click it update, it is automatically changed in the database at your profile or at in the header also. In this we are using the MongoDB as a database. So let's log out for again and try to log in again. When you log in and you have very short memory like me, so you forget the password here. So what to do now? You forget the password. Don't worry, just go for the forget password. Enter your email again. And send the mail. In this, the mail is sent to the mail trap. We are using mail trap. Here it's come. It is only valid for 10 minutes. So let's restart our password. In this, you enter your old password, then your confirmed password and set password. So it's login successfully, password is changed, but without entering any detail, it's failed. So let's enter again our details like email, and new password here. So let's log in. So we are logging successfully. This is our project food ordering.